Good morning, Alan from Point Exterior Cleaning. Yes, shades are on. It's beautiful here. And I'm in a DA postcode, so I'm in Dartford. And a cup of tea or coffee today. The old Millwall Football Club, look at them, get in there. Watch all the West Ham fans, stop subscribing. Lovely, she said I'm going to put it in a Millwall cup. Yee, come on you Lions. So, nice little paving, paver today. And I've also got I'm going to come back next week and do the rear sandstone patio for her, and then I'll sand this and put it all together at the same time, so you're going to get two videos in one. Let's spin you around, let's show you what we've got. Narrow, we hung up the pathway and everything, road's really narrow. Right, there we go. Weeds, you always get weeds on these pavers. Put some lighting, and that's where the car sits, so that's what it should look like. So let's get cleaning. Let's get some pictures first. All done. Gone over this a few times. The lighting was really stubborn today, but gone over it because I wanted to do a good job because I'm coming back. All that lighting around there, all gone. Well, 99% of it. It's a bit of a nasty drive. It's got little black flecks in it, and it looks like black spot as well. But I've got all the black spot out that was sitting around there. There. So much better. Customer's happy. And look, another Millwall mug. Yes, come on, you Lions. Kept me well going with tea today. It tastes even better coming out of a Millwall mug.